My dog is...
What? Where'd he go? Where is he?
He got into my fridge.
Well, then just take him out.
He doesn't want to leave. He's eating all my food.
But he ate all my food.
You bet I did, boy, and it was delicious.